Okay, to open a Flash Builder file, you have File, File, Import Flash Builder Project. Click, and then see Browse. Week 5, where is my desktop? Week 5. And this one, open this one. Week 4 FXP. I open, and then look at, remember this. Where you want to save. By default, I will save in my document, Flash Builder 4.6 and week 4. So you can change if you want to change. It's up to you. For me, because my computer, I don't have C drive, D drive. I only have one C drive. So I click Finish. Okay? Once you click Finish, look at your left hand side here. All your file is here. The views is here. The images is here. The icons images. Okay, clear? Okay? Now, you go to find out where is the location. See, right click, properties. My location is user Cheng Fei and document, whatever. So I find out. I go to my Finder, document, Flash Builder 4.6 and week 4 here. Okay, source images. You open a week 5 folder. Where is my week 5? Inside this images file, I copy, paste in images folder. Not paste inside icon, paste in images folder. Confused? Yes, okay. Again, your Flash Builder, just now you import already, no problem. I ask you to remember where you save, right? You look, if you don't know, you right click, properties, see this is the location I save. Document, blah blah blah. Your one might be different, okay? For Windows might be different. For Mac, if default is for confirm is here. So I open, I go to my Finder here. I mean, this is your Mac, this is Mac. For Windows is different. So you go find out where is the location. My location is here, source. See, week 4. Week 4. And then source, bin and library. Source, bin and library. Clear? And then I go to source, images here. I paste my picture here. By the way, this is a background image I want to use, and this is all my, this is same but all my icon. My profile picture later I'm going to use. So we import in images already. See, we import in images already. You open the image folder. If you don't have this all file, meaning you put in the wrong place. Do you have now? Have, okay. So we open this promotion and profile. See, if I run, last week we, okay, see, look at here, you don't do everything, look at me. Last week we run, when I run, it will pop up this. What platform you want to test on? Let's say I test on iOS, on desktop. Don't on device because you haven't plugged in your device, whatever. On desktop, I try iPhone 3GS mainly because the screen is smaller. I can see on full screen. See, I have a list, okay? A cool person list. When I click student, about, and then I can go back. This is what we done last week. Today we want to add background. And we want to add a profile picture here. Okay, now this is my profile. So nothing to remember. By default, this is iPad. I don't want. I changed to iPhone 3GS. Same for here. iPhone 3GS. Okay, and then I want to put in a background. First thing is I cannot simply put in an image here in my list. I cannot. What I do is I select the whole list, right click, cut. I cut it. I paste on the notepad. I paste on the notepad first, or a Microsoft Word or whatever. I paste on some place first. Clear? Okay. Now you go to your design here. Your list is gone. What we need is you look at your left hand side. Do you see a group here? Do you see a group here? Under layout folder, group. Okay, I click and drag my group and then make it to full screen. I scale it to full screen. What I did is, I do again. This is my group. I click and drag and then I scale to full screen. Okay, clear? Not clear? Clear? Not clear? Okay, see, this is your component area which I already teach you in week 2. If you have any problem, go to YouTube and search for the video and watch again. I click here, this is my group, left hand side, look at my mouse, left hand side. I click and drag, put to stage. By the way, the white color place is what we call stage. And then I arrange it nicely, X and Y is 0. Scale to full screen. Clear? Simple. And then you look at your source here. I have my group X and Y 0. Width and height have some pixels. We don't want. As I said, we are aiming for most platforms. So we type 100%. Percent, I remember. If you didn't type this percent, meaning 100 pixels only. Make sure your X and Y is 0 and width and height is 100%. Now, I want to put in an image. I want to put in my background. This is my background image. Class.jpg is my background. How to put in a back image? Drag here, click and drag here like this. No. This is my file. I need a place to save my image, right?
Yeah. Click the control.
See? Do you see an image here? You click and drag, put here. Okay? And then, where is my file? Where is my class.jpg? Inside my images file folder. Am I right? So you come to image here. You type source images slash. Okay, big enough. Big enough. Images slash what? Class.jpg. But then we need to fix. See, we have a white box here. We need to fix this. Width and height. I didn't type width and height. I just copy here and paste at the bottom. That's it. You have problem? Design here. See this one? We have white color box, right? Look at this. Scale mode. Letter box. So you try to stress. The glass become bigger already. You don't want this happen, right? We use zoom. Okay, where? I heard someone say where. Select, click. Select means click this image. See this scale mode? Zoom. Okay, select, zoom. And then you look at your code here. Already have scale mode, zoom. Understand? So I go back to my notepad. I copy my list. I paste inside group. See my images and my list. So when you look at my design, my background gone already. Didn't gone at the back there. Didn't gone. My list blocking on it. Okay? Clear enough. By the way, I just cut. I just paste back my list. Okay? Okay? Okay, now I want to set my list background to be transparent. To set your list to background transparent, you type. Remember, I type inside my list. Okay, I press enter, easier to identify. Okay, I type inside here. Content. See, some of you, I don't know how to spell content. I type control space. Do you see this? Content background alpha set to 0. Control space. In my list, I don't want this white color. I want different color. So to add different color, you type alternating items color. And then you type hashtag what color? Let me go Photoshop. Okay. Let's say I want this light blue, CCFF99. So I type CCFF99. Then you look at design here. See? One color already. Let's say I want more color. You have to type this. The square bracket. And then comma. Let's say I type let's say this one 66cc. Remember to close bracket, the square bracket, and then you look at your design. See, 2 color. So let's say if you want more color, you just comma what, hashtag what, then comma again, hashtag what. This is my data. In my data, I only have name, job, and about. I need another data. I need some data for my picture. I need some data for my website link. Okay, so you need another data. What I do is I separate, I press enter so that easier to see. Okay, remember I type inside, inside my object. I didn't type outside here. I type inside. I set picture is a icon 01.jpg, and then another link, web links equals to https://www.google.com. So same thing, I copy and paste. We don't need to touch this page already. We go to profile. This is my profile page. Okay, remember I bring in 2 more data in. I bring in my website and my image. Understand? So I want my profile picture show in somewhere here. What I need. Just now how you put a background in. Copy paste, yes, copy paste. Yeah, it will work something like that, copy paste, but then we don't want. Because we don't want our image for 100% width and height, right? To do that, you click here, see image, you click and drag, put in an image. Okay, maybe I'm blocking someone. I do again. Look at your component area. Image, you click and drag, put here. Okay? And then see, I have my image ready. So I set my source. Source images slash data dot picture. Okay, as I said, why I type data.pic, see here, my icon, my picture is PIC, and okay, I go inside images folder and call out this text. I didn't call out the icon name. I didn't call out the image. I call out the text. Why Flash will detect that is my image? Because my text is same with my image name. Understand? If I run now, see, I click image, I have an image here. I click, I have an image here. I click, I have an image here. So I just type this. Big enough? Big enough. I put in a button. And then I name it go to site. Okay, I go to site. I have a button now. I want when I click, it will go to next page. So I need a new view. Right click on your view folder, new MXML component. And then name your file name. I name it website. I name it website. I click finish. Okay, I have a website. I don't care first. Now here, I want to add. When I click, it will go to next page. Okay, so you need to do is click navigator dot so hot one my phone. Push view. Push to views dot website. Okay, this one understand right? Navigator dot push views dot website. Many week already. But then I don't only push view to next page. I want to bring the data go to next page as well. So, but then I don't need to bring all the data here. I only bring the web links. So, comma data dot web links. Reason why I type web links here, because in my promotion page, my data here, see web links. This is my web links. That's why here I type web links. You
can simply put
yes, the name you can simply put. But then the first name you put that at the back that you must follow. Okay? Okay? Nothing will change. Nothing will change. Nothing will change one. If I run, see if I run. I click, and then I go to site. Yes, we correct. We have a website page now. Nothing will load out yet. To load the website, we go to website here. Okay, we come to here. Okay, we type script close. See, once I close, automatically it will close. It will type the rest code for me. I type protected variable web page is a stage web view, and it is a new stage web view. Okay, maybe you will ask me, what is this stage web view? Right? You use your mouse, you roll over here, you will read. See, the stage web view class display HTML content in your stage viewport. Meaning what? Your website, you code by what code you use to code your website? Yes, HTML. HTML content meaning website. Okay? And then I type protected function init void. Okay, I call out a function. The function name init, I-N-I-T, init function. Nothing yet. We haven't put anything here yet. Okay? Remember, my web page is something to load my HTML website. Understand? Okay, now I copy web page. Okay, web page dot stage equals to stage. Meaning, my website, my web page is a stage web view. It's a thing that to load website. But then I don't know where to load. My web page dot stage. The stage same as my application stage. Same like your Flash. You have the white box. The box we call it stage. So same thing. We load on stage. So where is the position stage we want to load? Dot viewport equals to new rectangle 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay. Why I type 0, 0, 0 at the beginning? Look at here. You roll over this rectangle. Roll over this rectangle. You will see the first number 0 is x, y, width, and height. Okay. My x, of course, I want to stick on the side, right? So I stay in 0. My y may be 100, my width may be 350, and my height may be 600. I'm not sure. And then web view dot load URL string data. Okay, see. My web view load URL, no need to explain, right? Load URL. String, do you look at this? What is this string? Create a new string object initial to the specified string. I don't know what is this. String is something like you're holding a number, you're holding something. This time I'm holding my data. What is my data? I know it's the data. What is my data? My data from previous page. In this page, I bring in web links, right? So here my data is web link. You can type the dot web link like this. But then you don't need to type web links. It also will work. Why? Anyone know why? When we type with this time, we don't need to type data dot web links. Because the previous page, we only bring in web link data. We only got one data in this page. That's why we don't need to specify data.weblink, data.name1, data.picture. Data.name1, data.picture, we bring from the first page, promotion page. Here. See, I bring in all data, go to profile page. And then on profile page, I call out name1 about job picture. Okay? And then in this page, I bring web link to website page. That's why I don't need to I don't need to specify what data I have. So I run. Your cannot work because you all don't have internet. So I click and I click go to site. Wait a while. Let me try, okay? I think my internet gone already. Yeah, okay. Oh yeah, I forgot one code. Here, this is my function, okay? This is my function. I want to tell Flash, when I finish complete, when you finish load all everything, only show up. So I type creation complete init. Meaning, see, you read this. Creation complete, dispatch when the component has finished its construction, property processing or whatever. Meaning, when you finish run, it only will show. So now I run. See, I click, go to site, wait a while. Hi. See, look already. A bit slow, right? I mean, not a bit slow. We don't know if it's loading, right? It don't have the loading symbol or whatever. Okay? To call out the loading symbol, and then we have another problem is when my device I click back, or let's say I have a back button here. When I click back, see the website cover on top. Meaning I want to remove it also. So first thing I remove it first. I type add event. See, I type add event. I lazy to finish. I type control space. It will finish for me. Add event listener, view, navigator, event. Because your keyboard can type Chinese. Go control panel, delete it. Dot, removing, comma. Okay, after comma, remember this is your name for this function. What you want to name this function? I want to name it remove web. Okay, my function, I name it remove web. And then at the bottom here, I type protected function. Remove web is a what? Is a event. Is a view navigator event and void. Open and close. And then we type web page dot dispose, right? Dispose. Now I run. See, I click email. I go to website. We load a while. Wait a while. See, the website come out already. And then I click back. It will destroy the website now. Then we still have problem. We don't have our, not back you add yourself, okay? That one I don't teach already. We don't have the loading symbol. To add in the loading symbol, there is more than one way to do this, but then I will just type code. I said protected variable
Wrong.
bi. No wrong. Wait a while. Yeah, sorry. Protected bi. I type in bi. Is the name of my busy indicator, and it is a new busy indicator. So I said this dot add element bi. This meaning this application, I add an element, I add bi. Bi is a busy indicator. Understand? Okay? And then I set it bi dot visible equals to true. I save. Then now I run. I click, go to site. See, I have the loading bar now. But then, we finished load our website already, right? The finish bar still there. Then we need to tell Flash, hey Flash, when I finish load my website, I want the busy indicator delete. I want to take away this busy indicator, and on my website I want to load on top here. So we add another. Sorry. Web page dot add event listener is a flash event dot complete. And then what name you want to name this function? I want to name this web loaded. Okay, and then I go down here. Same thing, protected function. Web loaded is a event. Sorry. Event. Void. I thought after I finish load my website, I want my bi dot visible equals to false. At the same time, I want, see, this viewport. This is my viewport, my website. I copy and I paste here. I set the y to, let's say, 50. Maybe I try. Remember, this is x, y, width, and height. So I run. Go to site, say run, finish, go up. Understand? Device, device back. Then I open the file done for you, okay? Import desktop week5. I open this done one, okay? Finish. So I run. It will pop up this again. You want, let's say this time I try in Google Android on Google Nexus S. I run. A bit bigger screen, okay? See, I have email. I go to site. It will load. See, load Facebook. And then I want load in default browser. Meaning, in your iPhone you have your Safari. In your Android phone you have your Google Chrome. In Windows Mobile, IE. Okay, IE maybe. I don't know. I would like to try Windows Mobile. Yeah, and I click. See, my computers it will load up Facebook. Okay. Because my computer, my default browser is Google Chrome. As I said, you designing a mobile app is actually same like you designing a website. Same thing. Okay? How to code this? You open my file. You open my file. This is the code. Label is what? Label is the button, what text show in the button. And then navigate to URL. New URL request string data again. Same thing. Okay? Okay. Thank you. Let me off this. Yes.